Hello, my name is Rich Howard, and this video is to give you just a quick, closer look at the 335 from Pemko, which is this item here, and the 336, which is this item here, and how they work on a standard door. Now, this interlocking weather stripping, which is indeed what this is mounted on the push side of the door exclusively. And what we have on this push side of the door is we've got the hinge jamb, as you can see. We've got the header, as you can see. And then, of course, we have the strike jamb, as you can see. Now, this material, because of the nature of what it is and how it connects together, has to mount in a specific location determined by where you're installing it. If you are installing it when you are installing it on the hinge side of the door, you must mount the 335 piece. And I want to be sure of that part number. Indeed, 335. The D stands for dark bronze. The 336 is the angle piece, and the A stands for mill aluminum. These items are available in either finish. But when you install it on the hinge side, you must install the 335 on the face of the door and the 336 on the jamb, and it would be demonstrated as follows. Basically, when we've got these two pieces mounted together and you go to open the door, the way that this works is just like that. And I obviously don't have them screwed to the door, but you can still get the concept of how it functions. Okay? However, at the header, that was an awful racket, I apologize. However, at the header and at the lock side, you can't install it that same way, but more simply, you're going to install the 335 on the jamb, and then, of course, the angle portion right on the face of the door. Okay? So we'll get it down towards the lock only because not so easy to get this to. So you get the concept of how that's going to close. Just like that is how that's going to work. But because of the pivoting axis, so when it's mounted to the face of the door, it's going to look like this, obviously. Okay? But because of the pivoting axis of the hinge, we don't have the ability to install it in this fashion, where it would literally look like this, because this piece, the 336, is not going to be able to rotate. So that's why it must be installed in that sort of fashion. If you have any questions on the 336 or the 335 series, Pemko interlocking weather stripping, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.